Ako yung isa sa magsasabi totoo. And kahit si Jong, palabiro. Good straight by Jong right there. Fast counter. Body shot by Silvano up to the side. Madulas din tong si Virgilio Silvano, partner. And he stays low, you know.
He crouches a little bit low.
Yes, see, body shots after body shots. Ooh, that was a good lead hand that landed on the face of Ronnie.
Ronnie Baldonado is trying to swing that left na seemingly hindi tumatama. Ayun, tumama na.
Yun nga, that's the... Kasi nga, Silvano crouches and he weaves low, he fights low. Mahirap ang tamaan, partner. Hirap kaya sumuntok pababa.
Yung trajectory ng suntok, medyo mas mahihirapan ka. Lalo na kung isang fighter ang nakikita kong gumagawa niya is Donnie Nietes. He crouch a little bit low at napakahirap din siyang patamaan.
Naku, na-miss ko bigla ang ating idol na si Donnie Ahas Nietes.
May malaki akong news kay Donnie Ahas Nietes. I think pinagkatiwala niya sa akin yung great news that malalaman natin. Siguro, abangan nila sa Baby Dynamite Sports at sa Real Fight PH.
Yes.
A big news regarding Donnie Ahas Nietes.
This is a good test for both boxers. Good test for Jong. Silvano also fighting a little... well, he's been fighting in super flyweight. Although I think I want to see him in flyweight or kasi
I think he even could make it in junior flyweight. Tingin ko kung gugustuhin niya.
Yes. Definitely, no? And he could be a real problem in those divisions, no?
Siguro yung 105, wala na yun, hindi mangyayari yun. Mahirap yan. Pero 108, 112, I think there's a chance for Silvano if he ever passes this test against Baldonado.
Again, Elorde TV is not a platform for you guys to spread your hate. Kung gusto nyo magpa-block ng mga tao, Elorde TV is not the avenue for that. We are purely about boxing. So, yun lang.
Si Don Joel Taduran is
Lodi natin yan.
Na nagpapa-shoutout. I think nasa Macau siya. Doon siya nagtatrabaho. Hopefully, makita tayo very soon.
Yes.
Dahil lalaban si Pedro Taduran sa December.
Natin yan. Ang ganda ng performance na pinakita niya nung sa laban niya with Darwin Briones. Doon natin nakita the prime. Bumalik yung prime Joel Taduran. Sabi ni Junior Villa, let your hands go, don't be too tentative.
Yeah.
That's the best word to describe round 1 and 2. No? Tentative.
I think both of the fighters don't want to commit a costly mistake. Medyo nahirapan din si Jong Baldonado kasi mababa si Silvano. Mababa yung stand niya.
And he has that active tight guard. No? Kita mo siya, sometimes it's high guard, minsan he's trying to parry.
Usually kasi when Baldonado is fighting, laging mas malaki siya sa
right there, no? Jong has had some success in that exchange. There you go.
Remember, Jong Baldonado fought some of the best in the business. Nakalaban na rin niya si Carl James Martin.
Right.
Nakalaban niya na si Ben Manangkil. So, I think this boy is also have some bright future ahead on him.
And like I said, right now he's gaining more success landing on Silvano. But Silvano is so crafty. You see him moving in angles, hitting you from different directions.
Oh, that left.
Body, yeah,
that left to
body
the tug. You could hear the tug, partner. Alam mo, kailangan magpasalamat din tayo that meron mga promoter na nagpo-promote pa.
Oo naman.
Here in the Philippines. Just imagine if wala na nagpo-promote sa Pilipinas.
Exactly.
At we are relying to one or two promoter. I think it will not be healthy na para mangyari yon. So, itong mga kaibigan natin from UKC promotion, yung PMI promotion dyan sa Bohol, and among everybody, many prime Tag Sports,
Jerry Peñalosa
yes,
promotions, and even Olivetti, Coach Miguel.
Tsaka yung sa Tacloban, meron din yung High and Punch.
Final, that was a huge overhand by Silvano. Ang bilis din ng reflexes kasi nitong dalawang to, partner, no?
I think Baldonado is still on his prime as a boxer.
For sure. Yes.
If the direction is right, if everything will be all right, I think he still have a chance for a world title shot. Maybe.
He has some serious power in those hands, if they land, it's really something. Ito namang si Silvano, time and time again, is showing us kung gaano siya kabeterano. Talagang very crafty, is able to adjust well, has the professionalism to be to make weight, to be here, to show up in every fight. Bihira sa wala na si Silvano ay may overweight.
Parang never pa nangyari. Lagi siyang on the dot.
Right.
Kahit na 2 weeks notice, 3 weeks notice, kuha pa rin niya yung timbang.
Exactly.
So siguro disiplinado talaga tong taong to. I'm speaking about Virgilio Silvano.
And similarly, Jong Baldonado also has that great work ethic. You always see him in the gym.
Siyempre minsan, nag-e-enjoy din yan. Mga tao yan eh.
Tama. Wag natin silang kastiguhin pag nag-enjoy sila. I mean, hindi ka rin naman pwede mag-training 24/7 at masusunog ka.
Of course naman. Oh.
Here we go, round 4 in the 6th round bout between Ronnie Baldonado and Virgilio Silvano. A straight that landed for Jong. Pero kasi magaling mag-roll itong si Silvano. So, yung impact na dapat nagta-transfer, hindi ganun kalakas. But accurate, Ronnie is more accurate now landing that straight, no, partner?
I think if Baldonado could settle down on this division at super flyweight, he will be a threat on this division.
I believe so too.
Not only in the Philippines, but probably in the world stage.
For sure.
Kasi ang mga champion ng super flyweight mostly mga Asian. Like Kazuto Oyoka.
Exactly.
And then I think Junto Nakatani also.
Yeah. Medyo rare lang si Sonny Edwards na parang very unique na isang Caucasian na champion. Alam mo ba, partner, trivia lang, nakalaban pa ni Virgilio Silvano yung nasa corner ngayon ni Jong Baldonado na si Jetro Pabustan.
Hindi ko naabutan yun.
Hindi ko ba naabutan yun noong 2015?
Aba, nasaan ba ako nun?
Oo, nasaan ka nun? And yung ating kaibigan din na si Rodel Suganov, nakalaban niya Aston Palikte. Si Coach Fernando Ocon, nakalaban pa si Batang Bato TV.
Trivia yan.
medyo nag-raise lang sa likod ng ulo. But Jong did not intentionally do that.
Ang laki ni Jong Baldonado sa super flyweight, partner.
I think that's a good division for him, no?
Yes. It's a matter of discipline lang naman 'Di ba? You manage your weight and cut your biceps, and I think you will be much stronger in 115.
Nako, in the spirit of Christmas, ang ating Fairtex gloves, red para kay Jong, green para kay Virgilio Silvano.
Pasko na,
Pasko
na.
Again, sa mga nagko-comment sa comment section, thank you guys so much for supporting Elorde TV, for supporting our boxers.
Binabati ko lang si Coach Brix Flores.
Yes.
Huliman at nandyan pa rin. Salamat sa pagsuporta. Thank you for supporting us. Alam mo, we will not be here talking to you without the support of the boxing clan sa Pilipinas. Di ba? Kasi kung hindi kami maayos, hindi kami okay makipagtungo sa tao, I think hindi na kami kukunin ng mga ibang promoter.
Certainly.
So nagpapasalamat kami sa lahat ng promoter na kumukuha sa amin as a tandem. Minsan medyo less ang budget. Isa-isa lang kami. Kinukuha pa rin kami. Nagpapasalamat kami. Halos isang taon na naman namin ginagawa to.
It's been our pleasure, no? Round number 5, Virgilio Silvano in the black and yellow trunks. Si Baldonado is wearing the white, blue, and red